Hi, I'm Barb.
I'm Paul, and this is Travels with B&P. Today we are on the ship. We left Miami the other day, headed for the Panama Canal, which is on the first leg of our round South America trip.
Panama Canal is a man-made waterway that cuts across the Isthmus of Panama. Ships entering the canal have to be raised from sea level about 85 feet to make the crossing. To raise the ships this much, it takes about 55 million gallons of water for each ship. During the El Nino period, there's less rainfall in the rainforest in the Chagres River and Gatun Lake that power the Panama Canal. Some of the things that they've done to conserve this water is limit the number of ships transiting the canal each day down to about 18, which is about half the normal amount.
Hopefully we're going to be one of the 18 to make it through the Panama Canal today. Fingers crossed, and let's see what happens.
Here we go. Hi. We are in the city of Trujillo, near the port of Salivary in Peru. This is our first stop in South America, first stop in Peru. We were supposed to stop in Ecuador, but because of political unrest and the state of emergency, Seabourn decided to skip those ports, so we came here instead.
Blessed Bahamas.
Please give a round of applause for King Neptune!
Mortals of the land, let it be known that I am Neptune and the sea is my throne.
Polywogs to the ocean and the sea! We should try them now!
Once you have kissed the fish, into the depths of the ocean you go. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for your good sport, our polywogs today. But one more thing, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we are in Miraflores, upscale suburb of Lima. We have just walked down to the ocean. So Miraflores is built up on a high cliff. They're trying to reclaim the land, build it up so it doesn't erode into the sea. But because you're up high, you get nice views from here.
Tomorrow, fingers crossed, we get to do some shopping with the chef. It starts bright and early in the morning, so we'll see you then.
Good morning. It's a nice morning. It's early, earlier than we're usually up, but shopping with Chef is something we always want to do. Hate to miss. And Chef JP lives here in Lima, so we should be tuned into some good local markets, vegetables and fish.
Now we're here at the fish market.
Busy place, a lot of large fish, noisy place.
Este de allá es plata, es como la chica, es familiar. Dos platitos.
La mayoría de Estados Unidos.
Ah, ya, está bien. Tú también, de acá, te le vas a estudiar.
No.
Bien, aquí.
Sí. when it comes to octopus, when you lift it, it's lumpy. So the freshness in the octopus gotta be very, very lumpy.
Quite an experience, quite a lot of vendors. Tell us what we bought today.
Okay. Today we got some fresh mahi-mahi octopus, Nigeria jumbo shrimps with a head. They're gonna be part of the chef special menu for tomorrow. The rest of the seafood that we bought is put it on the tray. As well the lips from the mussels. Normally in a lot of places they discard it. For us, what we will do is we executed some pasta. That's how we're gonna make it. Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
One of the first places that we're going to visit is a market, and one of the biggest markets maybe here in this part of the central coast, that is called Minca. It's located near of the seaport in this region that is called Callao. Okay.
Have around the 4,000 species of potatoes, and here maybe are not the 4,000 but you can see many more species of many kind of potatoes. Yeah.
Okay guys, welcome to Señoría del Surco. My name is Ricardo. Today we have a cooking lesson, 3 emblematic dishes from Peru. The first one, the ceviche de pescado. That's a white fish marinated in lime juice. The second one, the causa, the golden potato mixing with yellow chili paste. And the last one, the Peruvian fusion dish named lomo saltado. It's a tenderloin beef sauteed with onions and tomatoes. Okay guys.
Fresh.
And then let's go with the onion. Now we're gonna add garlic paste, ginger juice, 4 to 5 limes or lemon. Something similar in the US, the Yukon Gold. With the Yukon Gold, you can make Peruvian causa in the United States. Yellow chili paste, lime juice. This is chicken breast. Iceberg lettuce with celery. Mayonnaise. Last dish, name it lomo saltado. This dish we use tomatoes, tenderloin beef, garlic, onion, more vegetable oil, white vinegar, and a soy sauce.
So we just finished lunch. The Socorro de Sucro, El Señoro del Sucro, something like that. It was a delicious Peruvian lunch, ceviche. I forget what the second thing was called, and some grilled meat and vegetables with rice. So we have stopped at the oldest bar in this section of town, San Martin, I think is the name of this region. Anyway, we're gonna have a refreshment here. Looking forward to a cerveza. Morning. Excursion today, which is a tour of Peru's Galapagos Islands, San Balastra, or something like that. Hoping to see Humboldt penguins for the first time, plus some other birds and natural wildlife.
We are next to the peninsula, and over there we get to see the candelabra figure. The boat will turn for both sides. Now this figure happens to be a geoglyph. The Peruvian pelicans are really large birds. When they fly, they could actually measure about 2 meters. So your whole attention here, this is a bird in danger of extinction, red-legged cormorant.
We are back at Paracas after our boat ride out to the Balastras Island. Saw lots of wildlife today, some very unique birds. First sighting of a Humboldt penguin, which was exciting for us, new species. And lots of sea lions. Inca terns by the thousands. We didn't get to step on the islands. They are protected. Probably wouldn't want to step on them because they're covered in guano.
So we're in the port of Matarini, getting ready to board the shuttle bus. I understand the bus is kind of small, so maybe we won't get on the bus after all. They're running about once an hour. We are still waiting for the shuttle bus. It's been an hour and a half since we finally decided to give up. So anyway, we'll make the best of it. We'll maybe have some lemonade from the lemons. Anyway, we'll see you later.
So if you can't get on the shuttle, come back and sit on the boat and have a beer. Cheers.